I have a set of data here for at-risk teens. In the first column, I have 2 interventions, individual and group counselling. In the top row, I have drug use, violence and depression. Each of these are levels of one independent variable. The scores are coming from the same instrument which measures risk. To run the test, click the Data tab, then click Data Analysis. If you don't see the Data Analysis tab, make sure to add the Data Analysis toolpack, click File, Options, Add-ins, Go. Make sure the toolpack box is checked, then click OK. Choose Anova 2-factor with replication, then click OK. The input range is the entire dataset, so select the whole area by clicking and dragging the cursor down. Rows per sample. I have 2 samples with 10 items in each sample, so I have 10 rows per sample. If you don't know your alpha level, 5% is the most common, so I'm going to run the test at that level. For the output range, I'm going to select an area in the worksheet to the right of my data. Click OK. The results give us a lot of useful information, but what I'm interested in is at the bottom. I'll be looking at 2 things, the F value and the P value. The sample here is individual versus group counselling. The F value is way higher than the F critical value, so it seems there is a difference between groups. We also have a very small P value, so we can conclude there is a significant difference between group and individual counselling. The columns is the differences between levels of depression, violence and drug use. We also have an F value that's higher than the F critical value and a tiny P value. We can reject the null hypothesis of no difference.